Magandang buhay at manigong bagong taon mga channel viewers ng Health, Wealth, and Life Basics. Bukas ng gabi, ito po yung practice na namana ko po sa aking lola. I have not seen this in any literature. I was trying to look for related literature in this practice but wala pa akong nahanap. So, I'm going to share this with you. Ang aking lola po, pag December 31, ay kumpleto po lahat, puno lahat. Kaya may nakalagay ako dyan na puno ang aking honey, ang aking turmeric, ang aking coffee, ang aking tea, chocolate, dahil symbolism yan ng matamis na relationship. And then, ang mga puno po sa amin ay puno ang asin, lagayan ng asin, puno ang sugar, puno ang lagayanan ng bigas. Lahat ng ingredients ay puno din at lahat ng refrigerator ay puno. I do not necessarily observe the circles of life or yung mga prutas, but I ensure that puno po kahit yung aking lagayanan ng aking pera. In this presentation, I put 7 bills ng 1,000 bills, 7 coins na tag-20s, odd po. Look for an odd number for your bills. Odd na 7 din na 500, 7 na 100 at saka other 7 coins. Itong 7 coins na to, inilalagay ko ang isa doon sa kaliwa. Mas marami po ang aking denomination sa kaliwa na circle na coins. And another one is dito sa kanan, another 7 coins pag ako'y nakadamit. I don't necessarily use circle na dress na may circle ang design. I just put these 7 coins. That is what my grandma told me. Now, itong bills ay inilalagay ko po dito because this is my entrance. Ito yung living space ko, living room. Inilalagay ko po, nilalatag ko po ang 7 bills ng tago 1,000 and another 7 doon sa bag ko ng whatever 1,000 or make it odd. So, you may have 7,000, you may have 21,000, basta odd ang number ng nasa purse mo. Another odd number doon sa lagayanan mo talaga or treasure box mo, whatever it is. Now, as regards the symbolism, if makita mo po ito, ifo-focus ko po. Yan, may fish ako na symbol, may frog na kain ng coin, and then the treasure holder. So, ano po yun? I was trying to connect this to the creation. Bakit kaya ang Diyos, He has specific numbers, diba? So, God created the earth at sanglibutan ng 7 days. Another one is yung nangyari kay Job, 7 days of plague. Kumbaga, 7 years ang kanyang affliction. In the same manner kay 12 tribes of Israel, si Joseph the dreamer was given a dream na na-interpret niya na 7 days of plenty or 7 years of plenty and then 7 years of plague. So, mahilig ang Diyos, even in the scripture, to use the 7. Kaya, maybe yun ang hindi alam ng lola ko, maybe yun ang pinagkukunan niya kung bakit may mga 7 coins siya at 7 bills. Now, in respect to colors, may 7 din, di ba? There are 7 colors in the rainbow. So, you have red, blue, yellow, green, and then orange, indigo, and I think purple. I'm not sure, but there are 7 colors in the rainbow. So, maybe yun ang reason ng lola ko. Another one is yung fish. Did you know that when God had His miracle in Mount Sinai, ito po ay multiplication ng fish, di ba? Pinadami niya ang fish, walang meat. So, nakalimutan kong ilagay, may wine din akong inilalagay dito sa harapan ng pintuan. And when I open it, I open the doors and the windows pag dating po ng 11 o'clock ng gabi. Again, why 11 o'clock, not 12? 11 o'clock po kasi odd number na naman yan. And 11 o'clock is puro siya nakatindig. Ang numero na 111. Kaya maybe yun ang wisdom ng lola ko. I don't know where she got it, but minana ko po yung mga lahat ng yan. Ngayon, we were also told to clean the house. Literally, general cleaning kami a week before the New Year. So, by tomorrow, sana hindi ka na maglinis pa ng hapon. Ang linis mo bukas umaga at hindi ka na rin maglilinis sa January 1. Kasi ang panatan ng lola ko parang i-drive out mo yung good luck sa January 1. Another tradition that I inherited from my grandma was that hindi kami pinapaalis ng January 1 at hindi kami pinapagasto. So nakita ko ang rationally. Hindi kasi ako masyadong mga believers ng mga ganyan. But like Feng Shui, it's plain ergonomics or plain common sense. So it's the end of the year and therefore a week before or the last day ay dapat kumpleto ang bigas mo, ang refrigerator mo, ang lahat ay kumpleto at hindi ka kailangan maglayas sa January 1. Bakit kaya? Ngayong matanda na ako, na-realize ko, kaya siguro hindi kami pinapaalis ng lola ko sa January 1 because marami ang naglasing sa 31. So, marami din ang disgrasya, di ba? Napuputukan, na sasagasaan kasi yung mga driver, mga lasing, di ba? So, I think this would give you another insight why you should prepare for the next year. So, I hope you learned something, and for the rest of my life, this is the first time that I really share this tradition kasi noon nahihiya ako na i-share ko to kasi parang masyadong believer tayo na wala namang basihan. But I guess God in all His wisdom created 7 days, di ba? Nag-create siya ng 7 days at plague at plenty. It's counted in 7 days. Sa last, sa Revelation also, di ba? Ilang angels ba yon? 7 din ba? So, I don't know what it is, but wala namang mawawala na lagyan mo ang purse mo, punuin mo ng pera in odd. Kung mga even yan, ilagay mo doon sa ibang mga lagayanan mo. Thank you for kompletuhin mo po ako, kinompleto ko yung kahit yung purple, yung violet, merong violet, yung ating pera, yellow, and then yung symbols ng happiness, yan, yung mga punsitya, and then that's it. So, yung pagpasok nyo, kagaya this one, tomorrow, I will open this water. Yang water ko na, yan ay nasa pintuan ko. So, ang pagpasok ng water paloob ng iyong bahay. So, as I have been telling you in my Feng Shui tips, please go to my playlist. Wala pong mga shoes sa inyong harapan ng inyong pintuan. Walang shoe rack. Clean it up. And then even the housekeeping, I also have tips for the housekeeping. Thank you for listening, and Merry Christmas and a prosperous New Year. Huwag niyong kalimutan, sa rich mindset, magplano ka, mag-budget ka, i-zero mo ang utang, at mag-act ka, and enhance your skills and competencies so that you will be able to progress in life, mag-savings at mag-diversify ng negosyo mo at mga pera mo para may marami kang source of income. Goodbye, and may you continue to subscribe and follow my vlogs.